So for the past 3 or 4 months or so, I've not had Marcella with me, so I've had to be cooking all my food myself. What I'd like to say is healthy, vegan food on my own, with a cooker, with gas, fire and everything. So I've learned a bit more about food, and how to cook it, which I've pretty much found out all you have to do is make it hot, and it kind of works. So what am I going to make today? Well, some beanie lentil wrap thing, I guess. Nice and easy, nice and filling. Got some stuff here, just, you know, I'm not sure if they're going to go in it, because I don't think they should actually go in. We'll see. And we've got all this stuff in here, you know, I'm sure I'll find something to do with all this. Oh, in the fridge, What's in the fridge? This is chilies, which pretty much go in everything I make. I've got some lettuce. So I normally say as well with like buying stuff, these peppers for instance, right, when they're like in a bag, they put 2 together and put them in a bit of a plastic wrapper. They're so much more expensive. But I got this in a bag because I didn't really know what to do with all the lettuces that are about in care for. I mean, they're like a big, massive. I mean, do you just rip a bit off it, or do you have to take the whole lettuce ball? I don't know. But I didn't really want to just be like ripping lettuce apart in care for, so I just got a bag anyway. Right, wraps. Chop up some veggies and stuff, chilies. I probably wouldn't put 4 chilies in, by the way. Like, I like really spicy food, so you might want to just put like 2 in, maybe. I always put a little bit of lemon zest in as well, which is probably a bit weird. So that's that, ready to go. Now for this little bad boy. It does smell a bit strong, I'll be honest, but I'm sure it's going to be brilliant. It seems like a lot of onions and peppers. I might just put half of it in, because otherwise the pan's going to be full and no room for the beans. Oh god, this does smell strong. Okay, let's just get this stuff in. Lentil, spicy little lentils. The only thing I don't like about these lentils is they kind of look a little bit like dog food. Now I'm just going to turn the oven on, light it, and just leave it to get hot. So I need to put the wraps in anyway, just make them soft. So I got this stuff as well actually, but I don't think we're going to put it in. It's looking a bit watery, so I'm just going to keep it cooking until the water boils out. Why hasn't it worked the same? I think I know why it's so watery. I only used half the tin of those lentils, and it seems like all the juicy stuff is at the top, so I've got like loads of juice and a bit of lentils. But that just means on the next one that I do, it'll be dry. The water's going, it's looking good, better. It's hot. Cooking is hot. Okay, I'm going to start getting these wraps ready for the oven now. So just sprinkle a bit of olive oil on them. You can put these in without the oil, but let's see what happens. Bit of pepper, salt, and this stuff which I just found it, I don't even know what it is, I'll be honest. Like Indian-y kind of masala-y. That's nice. Now here I've got some, it's not actually what it says on the tin. This is actually some balsamic vinegar that I boiled up and reduced it so it's like really thick. The trick is not to put too much in them. I always put too much in them, but that's looking good. And that's a wrap. Sorry, it had to be done. I know it's bad. It's really shameful. Okay, let's see what they taste like. It tastes good. Better than you look. But you can't prove that, can you? Actually really good. So I hope that works out. I hope this video, I don't know how this video is going to work out actually, but it's a quick, easy, healthy thing to make. And I forgot the coriander leaves. I was really looking forward to them being in there.